Hello, friends and knife nerds. This is the CJRB Nanner. Check this thing out. We have a Persian style blade, and it is representative of a banana here. Now, this Persian style blade is not an awesome EDC style blade, but it is a really nice self-defense style blade. This is very comfortable to hold in the overhand position. Super comfortable, in fact. And then in the pull, it's nice and comfortable. And, that defensive under position is really nice. This is definitely a slicer. You got a full flat grind and AR RPM 9 steel. I actually like AR RPM 9. I think they did a nice job with it, keeping it budget, but still keeping it sharp. The HRC, they say, goes from 59 to 61. Getting a 61 on a budget steel like this is awesome. That is nice. So it's also a front flipper. That is your other method of deployment. The action is nice there. Cool. Action is good. The only thing I noticed is it's got a bit of blade lash. That's the only, if blade lash is a deal breaker for you, just be careful. I have noticed on this one it can be a bit much. But if that's not a big deal for you, then keep it moving. It has nice action. Cool little green accents here are really a nice touch. Deep carry pocket clip that is reversible. Very nice. And then let me show you quickly the other options that are available on the screen right now. Okay, enough of that stuff. This knife is pretty sweet. I like this knife for 45 bucks. It's a cool self-defense shape. Let me give you guys some measurements. Let's see, what are we looking at? Blade-wise, we're looking at 3 1/4 inches. And then overall, we're looking at 3.4-ish inch, 7.4 inches, excuse me. Right around there. Weight-wise, this thing feels light, so I am interested to see how little this thing weighs. 2.4 ounces. I love that weight. That is a nice, lightweight knife to carry. Sweet, full flat grind Persian-shaped blade there. I dig it. Let me show you guys a couple of pyrites, give you a comparison. First, we'll bring out the regular pyrite, the original pyrite, the knife that, in my opinion, put CJRB on the map. And then we'll bring out the pyrite large, because most people bought one or the other. So you can see it's actually very similar in total length to the pyrite. So if you have a pyrite and you like the size, but you're looking for something a little more self-defense toned, this is going to be a nice one for you. Full flat grind. This thing will be slicey. I mean, this will take care of any fruit. It will take care of VDC tests like slicing cardboard and slicing tape and really slicing plastic and some of these smaller EDC tests. It's not like it's not a usable knife for these things. It is. It's perfectly usable. It's just the blade shape is less designed for EDC tests and more designed for self-defense. But that's the thing that's nice about the Persian blade. It can still work in an EDC category. So, nice action, cool shape, couple different options available on this. It's not something you see very often in EDC, this like Persian style blade, this nice, very comfortable angled handle. But it's cool that CJRB decided to do it. Then they decided to get a little silly and make the Nanner. Well, friends, knife nerds, pretty neat little knife. I'm curious what you guys think of this. Let me know, and I will see you in the comments.